In this video, we're going to talk about how to make money with the Amazon affiliate program and how you can start making money with Amazon even if you're a complete beginner. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. All right, so let's talk about how to make money with Amazon. If you're brand new, this is the video that you need to watch. What I'm gonna do in this video is I'm gonna cover the basics on how to make money with the Amazon affiliate program. If you're brand new to affiliate marketing, Amazon is just one of the simplest ways that you can start making money online, mainly because it's the #1 e-commerce website online, and you can find hundreds and thousands and millions of products to promote on Amazon. So I'm going to talk about how you can make money with the Amazon affiliate program without having to build your own website. I'm going to show you some examples from which you can take some ideas on how you can start making money with the Amazon affiliate program. So I'm hoping that this video is very valuable to you. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and how you can start making money $100, $200 per day with affiliate marketing, then go ahead and download my free affiliate marketing guide below. In the description below, it's going to show you how I personally make money online, how you can do the same exact thing. It's 100% free. You can download it by clicking in the description below. So with that said, let's jump into my computer. Let's talk about the very first thing that you need to do, which is understand how the Amazon Associate Program actually works. And it's quite simple. You simply sign up for a free account. It'll take you a few minutes to do so. And once you sign up for an account, you can create an affiliate link for any product that you want to promote on Amazon. As you know, Amazon has millions and millions of products. So most likely you will find something that you want to promote, whether that's video games, movies, books, electronics, whatever it is that you want to promote. You can find a link, you can create a link inside of the Amazon Associate Program, and you can make a commission for any sale that you refer into Amazon. Now, the best part about this is that because Amazon is such a well-known company, you don't have to do any selling whatsoever. All you have to do is send traffic from one place to the Amazon website through your affiliate link, and if that person decides to buy the product, you will earn a commission. Making sales on Amazon is actually quite easy. The only thing you need to worry about is sending a lot of traffic to your Amazon products and affiliate links. In the description of this video, I'm going to post a link to the Amazon Associate Program where you can sign up for free and you can go through the whole process. As you can see, you can earn up to 10% in advertising fees. That basically means you will earn up to 10% commission on products that you're able to sell through your affiliate link. Now, initially, when you first begin, you might only earn between 3-4% commissions on the products. Keep in mind that people are buying millions of dollars every single day on Amazon anyway, so just why not get a piece of that huge pie? So that's what the Amazon Associate Program is all about. You're not investing any money whatsoever because you're not buying product, you're not doing the Amazon FBA program. You're simply sending traffic from one place to the other, and you're making sure that you're getting a small commission for simply sending someone who was going to buy something on Amazon anyways, but this time you're gonna make a small commission for doing so, for referring that person to that specific product. So once you have your Amazon account, I want to show you how the inside actually looks. Now I have a dummy account here where I can show you how easy it is to find a product inside of Amazon that you want to promote. So let's say that you like finance books and books about real estate, or perhaps you like Grant Cardone. So if I just type Grant Cardone here, you will see that I get all the books from Grant Cardone. Now I can specifically make a video on YouTube talking about the 10x rule, and I can actually get a link, a unique affiliate link from which I can make money if someone decides to buy that specific book. Now you can do this for any movie, any product inside of Amazon. So once you're approved inside of the Amazon Associate Program, all you have to do is just type whatever it is that you want to promote, and you can find and get a unique link from which, if someone decides to buy that book, a movie, game, whatever it is that you're promoting, you're going to make a small commission. The more traffic you're able to get to your products, the more likely you are to get a sale. Now, the best part about this is that even if someone goes through your link and decides not to buy that specific product that you're promoting, they might buy something else inside of Amazon. So if they do buy something else, you still will get a commission out of that. So let's say that someone goes through Amazon through that specific book and they decide not to buy the book, but they decide to buy a really expensive TV. You will get a commission for that sale even though you're not promoting that specific TV. That's because they have a 24-hour cookie. So that means that in a time of 24 hours, if someone visits through your affiliate link, any product that they buy inside of Amazon, you will get a commission. So that's pretty cool. So how do you get the traffic? How do you get people to go from a website or a place to an Amazon product or Amazon service where you can get a commission? Now, the first thing that you need to do is you need to figure out how you're going to promote those products and what niche you're going to jump into, because there's thousands and thousands of niches that you can jump into and you can promote Amazon affiliate products. I'm going to give you a few quick examples just using YouTube. Now, you don't necessarily need to have a website or a blog to do it. I'm going to show you why I think YouTube is just one of the best ways to do it, because starting a YouTube channel is 100% free. The only thing you will need to invest in order to grow a YouTube channel, to start generating traffic, is to invest some time in creating videos. So I want to show you how easy it is to do this. In the end, what you're looking for is to get people from point A to point B inside of Amazon and making sure that you're going to get a commission for that. So my first example is a YouTube channel called The Product Lab. And what it does is, you can see it right here. What it does, these are all links to Amazon affiliate products. And what it does, basically, it reviews different products where it just talks about the products with a simple voiceover, different images and videos, and they just review different products, tech products, gaming products. As you can see, if we go down, you can see the videos are getting a lot of views, and these are all monetized with the Amazon affiliate program. And you can make your own unique video with a voiceover, basically talking about the things that you like about that product. And if you already have a product and you're not afraid of being on camera, then you can just record the video yourself, create a simple review video, 5-10 minutes long, where you're talking about the product and you're linking that product to Amazon. And then if people find your video on YouTube, that YouTube video will sit on YouTube for months and years. You will start getting traffic and you will get commissions for every time someone buys that product. Now, here's another example, Tech Deals. What they do, not only do they create review videos as well, but they find good deals to save money on tech related products. So they find Black Friday deals and they just link to all those products on Amazon. So basically what they're doing is just acting as a search engine where they're looking for special deals where people can save money. And guess what? If they decide to buy those products through their affiliate link, then they're making money by simply finding those deals and creating simple videos online that they're posting on their YouTube channel. So the possibilities of using YouTube are endless. And if you don't believe me, let's go to one of the gaming niche. Now, the gaming niche is pretty popular on YouTube, but most people think that, gaming channels don't make any money. That's only if you're monetizing it simply with views, if you're only getting paid for the amounts of views that you're getting on your videos. But what if you can make money for simply talking about games, creating reviews, or you're uploading gameplay from from video games that you bought, and you're linking those video games in your description where people can buy the game after they watch your video. That's another way to monetize your content. So let's say that you like playing video games and you record yourself playing video games, and then every once in a while in your video you tell people, hey, if you want to check out this game, go to the description. You'll find a link where you can buy the game in Amazon, and that's going to allow you to make more money, not just with Amazon, but at the same time you'll be able to monetize your content twice. And you can jump into any niche. If you're doing makeup tutorials, for example, you can link to all the products that you're using inside of Amazon, and if someone decides to buy that specific product, you will get a commission as well. So it all depends on the niche you're jumping into. It doesn't require a lot of investment, but if you just do 10, 15, 20 videos a month or something like that, where you're linking to different products and you're doing this on a consistent basis, sooner or later you will start getting sales on a daily basis, where you might be able to make 10, 20, 50, $100 per day from videos that you have uploaded 6 months ago. This is a website that I really enjoy. It's quite simple. It's called This Is Why I'm Broke. I actually have a video that talks about how you can create a duplicate of this website, and you can launch this website and just talk about different products. And what they do basically is just they find cool products on Amazon and other websites, and if you just click on it and you go and buy that product, then they actually get a commission. So they have unique product with very funny descriptions, and this website is actually getting thousands and thousands of people every single day. It's not that they're making a lot of money promoting these products. It's simply because of the volume of people visiting this website and people buying other stuff other than these actual products. So let's say that someone clicks on this link and they decide not to get this book, but they decide to buy something else. Guess what? Now they made a commission. In my personal opinion, the best way to get started with the Amazon affiliate program is to do it with YouTube. Now, if you don't like doing videos, if you don't enjoy recording videos, or don't want to do anything like this, you can do a website, and then you can start building that brand using Facebook ads. You can do a Facebook page. So the Amazon affiliate program is definitely one of the simplest ways to start making money. Now, keep in mind that not everyone is going to make money right away. It will take time. So if you are consistent, if you whether you have a website or a YouTube channel or a Facebook page, the one thing that you need to remember is that you need to build that Facebook page, you need to build that YouTube channel, or you need to grow that traffic on your website to ensure that you have a lot of people visiting, viewing those videos, clicking on your website, and going to those affiliate products, because that's going to be the only way for you to really make money with the Amazon affiliate program. Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed this valuable video filled with information. I know it's a lot of information to break down, but what I want you to do is just go through the process of signing up for the Amazon Associate Program. It's free to sign up. It'll take you about 15 minutes to complete the entire process, and then you can figure out what is the best way for you to start promoting this product. Whether you want to use YouTube, whether you want to build a Facebook page or a blog or a website, anything that you want to build, the first thing that you need to do is understand how the Amazon affiliate program actually works. So the best way to do that is to simply sign up. So remember, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, go ahead and download my free affiliate marketing guide below. It's 100% free to download, and I bet you that you will learn a lot about affiliate marketing. With that said, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.